So this 1/3 horsepower automatic water pump, pumping at a rate of 2,250 gallons per hour, is super strong and super valuable. So this is a fully submersible utility pump with a 3/4 garden hose attachment. It has a check valve, and this could be used for a variety of applications such as pool draining, hot tub training, garden or pond draining, and unfortunately sometimes you need it to drain from a flood. You could drain a flooded yard, or you could drain a flooded basement, as in my case. Now, I had a smaller pump when I had a flood in my basement, and it did the job, but it took 4 hours or so. But if I had this one with the incredible pumping capacity of 2,250 gallons per hour, this thing is a monster. As you can see in this little demonstration in this 5-gallon bucket, as soon as I plugged it in, the water was strong, it was shooting out, and it emptied the bucket in seconds. I had to run and disconnect it, and it's really super powerful. So that's what makes it capable of pumping 37.5 gallons per minute at 0 feet, and it has a max height in feet of 33.5 feet of vertical height pump drain. And it comes with a super long 10-foot power cord, and it's running a pure copper wire motor. This makes it energy efficient and highly productive. It comes with a convenient carry handle, which is the aqua green. Do not lift it from the power cord. That is not recommended. You could easily use the 3/4 inch hose adapter that comes in the kit, or the 1/4 inch NPT discharge adapter. It's super easy to clean. It pumps down to a very low height of 1/8 of an inch from the surface, and it has a screen to filter out debris. So the max height is 33.5 feet. At 25 feet, it will pump 1,300 gallons per hour, which is more than enough for most any homeowner's needs. And at 10 feet is 2,000, 15 is 1,850, and a whopping 0 feet is 2,250. That's almost like a high-end high-power water hose. So this is a great product that has high-quality components and built-in automatic thermal protection overload, making sure it's built to last. And it really does feel like it's built to last. And I'm happy I got this, and hopefully I don't have to use it for a flood.